Hi, everyone. So my tip for today is post, but don't ghost. All right. And I'm actually going to share the post I did about being ghosted after you comment on someone's post. So people have asked me, what do you mean by the term posting and ghosting? So that basically means like when someone posts content on LinkedIn and then people leave comments, they don't respond to their comments. They basically ignore all the comments they've got on their post, or maybe they respond to one or two and ignore the others, or sometimes they just like your comment. And you might have spent a lot of time leaving insightful, meaningful comments, adding your thoughts, asking questions, and the person has ignored your comments. And I think that's incredibly rude, and I think it should be part of LinkedIn's etiquette. When you make the time to post content, you should also make the time to respond to comments. So I'm going to just briefly run through this post. I'm very proud of my little Bitmoji that I created today. I created Bitmojis yesterday for the first time, and I have to give credit to John Esprian, who shared a video on how to do so in his Espresso Plus group. So how not to post and ghost. So first of all, I truly believe LinkedIn is all about building and nurturing relationships, right? So when you respond to someone, it's showing that you're polite, that you care about them, making the time to comment, and you are responsive and you appreciate and value their feedback and their thoughts, right? It also helps you send a message to other people that you are a thought leader, that you value, that they are paying attention to your content, and that you might even add your own insights to their comments by possibly asking them a question or adding your thoughts to their insights. Okay, it helps you stand out from other people who are posting and ghosting. It's again, as I said before, an opportunity to showcase your leadership. The more you engage in comments on your post, the more your post will show up in the news feed, because the LinkedIn algorithm for posts definitely favors engagement and conversations, because that's what LinkedIn's all about, right? Nurturing relationships, networking, uh, conversing. So keep all that in mind. I mean, it's also for selfish reasons that you comment and keep that conversation going. And one more tip I would add is ask a question maybe when you post, so you get people commenting on your post. Remember, you have to keep this in mind. You're not talking to people, you're talking with people. So even if you have value to add, you have all this, or a story to share, or something that you suddenly thought about at the spur of the moment and created a post. I do that often. I suddenly get inspiration and I don't have anything scheduled for that day to post on LinkedIn, and I might create a post, right? But I definitely want to be engaged in the conversation, and it definitely helps me. The more engagement, the more my post will be shown in people's news feeds, and sometimes I'll get more profile views. People check out my profile because I commented on someone's comment, and then it might show up in that person's news feed, and they were like, oh, she sounds interesting, let me go check out her profile, and then it could lead to potential clients or collaboration. So there are a lot of win-wins. So here are some tips on how to comment on your comments. So take the time to respond to the comments, even if someone has just, first of all, someone might not have written much. Maybe they just wrote great posts. Again, remember that some people who are very new to LinkedIn, some people have just mustered up the courage to actually comment on your post and don't know what to say. They might be newbies. So whatever the comment is, I think you should acknowledge it, and maybe with a simple thank you for taking the time to comment, or adding your insight. Make sure you tag the person you are responding to in the comments, so they'll get notified that you commented on their comments. Now, also, I want to remind you of something. LinkedIn is a bit glitchy. So when you create a post and post it on LinkedIn, like in the past, remember getting notified every time someone commented on my post, but now you don't always get notifications. So I encourage you to keep checking the post over the period of that day, or maybe for the next few days, so that you can respond to those comments, so that none of the comments go unnoticed. And there's some people who are so focused on posting every day, post, and then they don't bother to comment because they get overwhelmed after a while. So maybe take your time with your next post if you're getting a lot of engagement, because you want to make sure that you are responsive, and that you're not being rude to your commenters. If you want to keep the conversation going, ask them a question, right? Maybe they said something, and maybe your post, like I shared about posting and not ghosting, and then someone responds, and they didn't respond to my initial question, which was, have you experienced this posting and ghosting, and does it bother you? Maybe they just wrote something else, and I can say, by the way, do you see this happening a lot? Do you find it rude, or am I being overly sensitive? So you could say something like that. Again, as I said, tag the person, use images, emojis or bitmojis, maybe in response to their comment. You could also take it a step further. And what I do sometimes is, if I have the time and people have commented and I've never really commented on their post, or haven't commented for a while, I'll go to their profile and look at their activity and see if they've posted something that's relevant to me. Or maybe they've posted something that I think my network wants to see, or I just want to give them give their post more visibility, especially if I think it's something important and barely anyone has commented on it. So you can also pay it forward. And then you could also maybe your post, you have something where you fleshed out what you shared in this post in further detail in an article, a newsletter, a blog, a video, maybe a book. You could then respond to that post and say, you could respond to that comment, to the commenter, and say, if you'd like to learn more, here's a link. And then you could share that link. And again, sometimes we want to keep people on our posts and on the comment section. But again, if you're leading them to something else that you did that you think would add value to the content you've already shared, then go ahead and do that. All right. So that's my tip for today. If you have anything to add, if you've experienced posting and ghosting, let me know in the comments of this video, and I will see you when I share my next tip. All right. Bye for now.